This is the stepper motor step angle and resolution interactive calculator, which determines the angular and linear resolution of your stepper motor system. Let's look at the inputs. First, you'll enter your full steps per revolution. This is typically 200 for most stepper motors. Next, there's a field labeled 2.0 where you enter your lead or pitch value. For the microstep division dropdown, you can select from full step, half step, or divisions of 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, or 256. I'm using 16 for this demonstration. The pitch unit dropdown lets you choose between millimeters, inches, or threads per inch. I'll keep it set to millimeters. For our example, I'll input 200 full steps per revolution and 2.0 millimeters for the lead pitch. After clicking Calculate Step Parameters, we get 3 results. The step angle is 0.11125 degrees, which tells us how far the motor rotates with each microstep. Total steps per revolution shows 3,200, meaning our motor now has 3,200 discrete positions per full rotation with 16x microstepping. The linear resolution per step is 0.625 micrometers, or 24.606 microinches, showing the precise linear movement achieved with each step. This calculator is essential for determining positioning accuracy in your motion control applications. Find the link in the description below.